Hola, buongiorno, good morning, welcome in Pasta ZARA kitchen. You remember my name is Marco. I come from Italy and I show to you how to prepare pasta in Italian style. This is the Pasta ZARA kitchen, a really Italian pasta, and today I prepare for you a typical Italian pasta. The name is butterfly, farfalle. If you want to prepare this pasta, you need in the kitchen onion, red onion, tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, San Marzano we prefer. After, chives. This is erba cipollina. When you prepare the pasta, you need 1 liter of water, 10 grams of salt, and 100 grams of pasta for each people. Now we use the boiled water, 100 grams of farfalle butterfly, in a boiled water we put the salt. And now we prepare the sauce. I like to match red onion. In a pan, we put 1 spoon of olive oil. We put inside the red onion, and now we prepare the tomatoes. Don't forget to wash very well the tomatoes. For the people that don't like the skin, you put the tomatoes in the boiled water a few minutes, so the water burn the skin, and it's possible to leave out, and I show to you how to leave the skin. It's okay? But I prefer with the skin. A good smell. When the onion is a little bit gold, we can put the tomatoes. Don't leave too much the onion inside. It's necessary to give some wet, a little bit of water. Now the pasta are ready. It's preferred to eat the pasta al dente. And don't forget to see the time on the packaging. This is the tomatoes without the skin. We take 1 leaf of basil, a little bit of aceto balsamico, we mix it, we take the pasta, we put on the fire. See? Don't forget to cut with the forks. It's no good to cut with the knife. It's necessary this. And we put the erba cipollina to the hand. A good smell. Now it's possible to prepare dish. Only to the end. And voila. Red pepper, black pepper, sorry. And now, for this time, I go in my kitchen, behind, and I go to eat the farfalle, the butterfly with tomatoes. Bye-bye.